Hello, my name is Harshvardhan Galhotra. I am from India. I have completed my bachelor's in mechatronics engineering from Thapar University, Patiala. My academic interests lies in the fields of material sciences, nanotechnology, renewable energy, and applied engineering fields. I have worked as a research intern at Borosil Renewables in India. There, I worked on solar glass. My task was to increase the transmission of solar glass in the range of 380 to 1100 nanometers, which is the active working range of the photovoltaic cell. So, I operated UV visible near infrared spectrophotometer. I worked on dip coating. So I used dip coater to deposited thin films on the solar glass. I also worked to develop anti-reflection and anti-soiling coatings for the solar glass applications. Apart from this, I have completed an international research internship at BenQ Materials in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. There, I worked on hydrogen fuel cells. So, I worked on electrochemical surface area. I assisted in laboratory experiments and also the literature review. I also worked on projection films. Apart from this, so I have also done a international collaboration with a Japanese company called Advanced Rico. So there I worked on down conversion project. I was developing nanoparticles that can convert, to be precise, they are quantum dots. So they can convert shorter wavelengths into longer wavelengths like UV to near infrared. That was my aim. So now I will elaborate that why I wish to choose Indonesia and the KNB scholarship. So basically, KNB scholarship is a really prestigious scholarship, and this will not only cover or fund my education, but it will also give me a great opportunity for international collaboration to work with diverse intellectual people and learn from some of the best minds in the world. I believe that Indonesia is an emerging hub in the Southeast Asia, and it is actively growing in the fields related to technology, engineering, healthcare, and such a multicultural and academic rich atmosphere will be a turning point in my life. It will provide me with a great opportunity to learn, work, contribute to this whole ecosystem. Further on, my long term goals are I wish to maintain a long term industry collaboration with the researchers in the Indonesia as well as the industry mentors, and because I believe the global challenges require international collaboration to be solved, and we can solve a lot of complex problems and help humanity and society by building these collaborations and foster new research and emerging technologies. So that's it, and thank you, and I really look forward to see you all